Okay, everybody. Oh, what's going on over here? Good morning, Vladimir Zdravstvuyte. All right, let's see over here. We have, wow, wasn't really expecting price to move the way it moved, if I'm being honest with you. Did not expect this at all. Like, when I woke up, we were just consolidating over here, right? Let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour, 4-hour, 4-hour. The 4-hour candle, ideally the 4-hour candle needs to break above this area to move bullish. Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour is, okay, 1 hour has created a resistance, which matches up here to the left-hand side, which means it's, I think it's a strong enough level right there. Looks like we have a support on the 1 hour time frame right over here. Okay, and let's see here now in the 30-minute time frame. Let's see what we can do. So the 30-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute. Obviously, we have a support. We have a resistance. Very simple, clean analysis. This is a sort of like I'd say like a rejection area, you know, because this candle body over here, the candle body closed with a small body, right? The candle head closed with a small body. So we don't know whether this is sort of like a supposedly a rejection, or can we correct this move up, which happened? We don't know that yet, right? We don't know. So let's take a sneak peek. Okay. Okay, let's take a sneak peek on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so now the candles are printing next to each other, so we're basically consolidating. I would say, what day is it today? Oh, it's a Wednesday today. All I know it was leg day today, so it's a Wednesday today. All I know, if we can break below 40.88, there's a clean range of 140 pip range where price can move down. 140 pip range that we can continue to push down. So that's one thing I would like to see happen. Gold is kicking our ass. No. Yeah, so I think we'll have to wait for price to break below this area for it to push down. That's one thing we will have to see. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how that plays out, to be honest. Also, the Dubai event has been announced formally. Let me get the image here for that. So what's this? Understanding basic principles, understanding risk management, how to get exposure small, creating a trading plan, live simulation session plan concepts, meet and greet. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's going to be December the 12th. Okay, so date is the 12th December. I think this rejection would be new for our candle. Did you see a lady from Dubai bling? Nope. Can we take impulse entry? Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to break below this area to see what's going to happen. We'll have to break below that area to see what's going to happen. Oh my God, man. Bro, this. Yeah, we'll have to wait to see. Okay, is crypto cycle going to get reset after $1 trillion investment in America or Saudi Arabia? I have no idea. How do we enroll for 12th December? There will be a link. Could you send a link to enroll, please? Yeah, there will be a link. Yeah, so right now we're just consolidating over here. There's nothing happening at this point. Let me close workshop in Dubai. 100 attendees. This will be on the 12th December 2025. Time will be 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Location Dubai. Exact location will be sent by email 1 week prior. Don't worry, the link is coming. All right, here we go. We wicked up. We're coming to this area now. If we break below 40.88, I will be looking to execute a sell for price to continue to push down. The stop is going to be around 30, 40 pips. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, 1 hour also. Yeah, looks good. We're basically rejecting the area. I think it's going to be great. Maybe, what if it pushes down really hard? So let's put a sell stop right over here. How far is this? It's like 9 pips away. Not bad. I think if you can come down toward 40.82, that would be great. So this will be a counter trend. This will be a counter trend opportunity. Counter trend opportunity. Okay, it has been executed. Very nice. Nicely executed over here. Now I have to select which image to use for this. This one. This one is better. Down. Okay, great. Download. Yeah, I think it's a good idea over here, you know. Stop loss, you know. Now, since it's moving, it shouldn't have any business coming back, right? Shouldn't have any business coming back over here. Great. Maybe a little bit more push down. I think we're going to be good. Maybe, can we get 20? I don't like this retracement here, to be honest. I'm going to be looking to see if it comes back to break even. I will have to manage my risk. Market position 69, maybe 40 lots I'm going to close right over here if it comes back to my break even. Secured 30 pips. Oh, beautiful. Best trade I took all week, Raja. Amazing. You make my knees weak, man. So I closed almost 50% right there. But if you guys secured, amazing. That's great if you guys secured. I'm just managing my risk over here. But congratulations if you guys secured. I'm just trying to make this event. Product will be Dubai Workshop Raja Banks. Dubai Workshop Raja Banks. Price is going to be, what's going to be the price? USD to AD. Let's see here. The price, USD to AD. Let's see what price this is. Okay. Around, let's say like 250 dirhams. Okay, 250 dirhams. That's good. 250 dirhams. That's about. All right, awesome. In stock, 100. 100 seats. Great. Great, great, great. Okay, let's see here. How do we get this to run? $25 pips secured. Beautiful. Well done. Well done, everyone. Well done. I'm very happy that you guys did secure something. Beautiful. All right, here's the link. Posting the link. I'm going to post the link in Discord. I'll post a link over here in Discord. The 12th December. 12th December. 100 seats. First come, first take. All right, post it over there. Also, maybe post it in the Dominion Markets chat. Let's post it in the, so I'm going to post a link here in the YouTube chat here as well. There we go. Perfect. Great. I exited 50% when it came to my break even. Is that fine? Yeah, that's fine. I did the same. I closed 50% when it came to my break even. You know, just managing risk, because this is a counter trend trade. So you have to understand this is a counter trend trade. So had to be careful. You know, had to be careful. Sir, I lost 5 years of savings here in Dubai. I didn't see my family in this 5 years. Will you help me getting a job in your office? If you are a ESCA approved compliance officer, then you have a job here in my office. If not, then there's no job. $75, exactly, $75. Yeah, $72, I'm sorry. It's for $72. Okay. Can all sessions be traded in SRC? No, one session only. You can only trade one session. That's it, one session. One session only. Wow, looks like there's going to be a big move coming up. I'm not focused on the money. I'm just focused on the move. I'm trying to see if we can get, you know, 50, 60 some pips like that. 50, 60 some pips like that. I'm ICT student since 1 year, but unprofitable. Can you guide me? So you are I can't trade student, and you're wondering if you're not profitable. Beautiful. Have you ever tried EMA 21? Nope. I used to do EMAs, but then I stopped. Raja, let's say I make money in London session. Should I trade for New York session? No. Don't trade for New York session. Can we re-enter again? That's all up to you. You want to re-enter again? You can re-enter. I just closed 50% at break even, and that's it. But Nick trades all sessions. Well, that's Nick. Nick has more experience than you. I trade all sessions as well. You know, but if you don't have any experience, then you do not trade all sessions. You just focus on one session. Just one session. Can you explain the counter trend? Because most of the time we'll wait. There's a bullish candle in this case, took a counter. Yeah, so basically counter trend is, so over here, the session trend, let me break this down over. This session, let me get a better color. Let's get this color over here. So the session trend is bullish, right? Whenever you have a bullish session trend, ideally you're looking for price to create a support, and then from support you want it to move up. Okay, but when we don't create a support, and when we kind of like, you know, price just creates this sort of like a rejection area, then you're taking a counter trend trade, you know, measuring, and you're keeping in mind how big this distance is. If this distance is, let's say, like in this case, it was like almost like 100 pips, right? If you have a 100 pip difference over here, then you're saying that, okay, if we have a 100 pip difference over here, maybe with the counter trend, if we're breaking below the zones, we can maybe cover 50% of this range, you know, 40 to 50%. So it's not all the time that it will cover 40 to 50% of the range. It's not going to do that all the time. It's just going to do maybe like, you know, sometimes it's going to cover 40 to 50% of the range. But since it's a Wednesday, on Wednesdays and Thursdays, I hold trades. So that's why I held it. I did not secure over here, but it came to my entry point. So I closed 50%. And now I'm letting the rest run if it continues to move or not. You know, but the counter trend trades are risky trades, which is why I secured 50% over here. But if we did not have this situation, if we had created a support, then I would be taking buys for price to continue pushing up. And the support is formed when you have a bullish candle close. What is this world champion? What are your thoughts about the World Cup Trading Championship? I have no thoughts about this World Cup Trading Championship. This is just a broker that tries to get clients on them, and they host these championships. That's all what it is. There's nothing to it. I don't care about World Championships. For me, World Championship is me against me when I was here last year. That's the championship for me. Yeah, that is the championship for me. Okay, let's see what we got over here now. Raja, if you were sit during this move, how could you executed this move up? How could I have executed this move up? Let's take a look over here. Maybe I would have executed over here as we were breaking the high as a impulse entry and trend to probably target 4081. I think that's where I could have done something. 4081. I could have maybe done something over there. But yeah, I think that's it. Do you have an update for Slack members? Chris, where are you? Do we have an update for Slack members? You hold trades only on Wednesday and Thursday, Monday and Friday are selective, and on Tuesday, I don't know. On Tuesday, if there's a move, I hold it. Which branch of Gym Nation do you go to? I go to the Silicon Oasis branch. But if Chris is, I message you on the Slack stuff, sir. Oh, you messaged me on the Slack? Yeah, just so that link was made or no? If that link was made, right? Man, you message me so many things, I lose them. Why are you holding trades on Wednesdays specifically? Because I've seen bigger moves happen on Wednesdays and Thursdays. That's why. Oh. Yeah, so whatever is happening over there, Chris is holding you guys up, not me. Yeah, screw that introduction video. Let's just create those things so we can give it to the Slack guys. But the Slack guys have to send an email. They have to send an email. So I think let me see if I can open Slack over here. And then we can send you guys an email to send. Oh yeah, here it is. Have Slack over here. Risk management in MFU is just wow. Yes. Thank you. I appreciate it. Risk management is the only thing that will keep you in profits. Risk management. The only thing that will keep you in profits. By the way, oh, look at that. It's coming back to my entry point over here now. I got what? 30 lots running. If it goes in drawdown, I'll close 50%. If it goes in drawdown, I'll close 50% just to manage my risk. Take a look on the 15-minute. Yeah, look at that. See, I closed 50%. I closed 50%. Let's take a look at the history. Look at that. 55 lots have been closed. And what's my loss? $800. That's how I manage risk. Managing risk is very, very important. Very, very. The most important thing is managing risk. Guys ask me how I get such low losses. That's how. Let's take a look at pound yen here, for example. Pound yen, pound yen, pound yen is doing a whole lot of nothing. A whole lot of nothing is happening on pound. Wow, look at the spread on gold. Less than a 1 pip spread on gold on Dominion markets over here. Wow, look at that. Less than 1 pip spread on gold. Oh, 1.4 now. So we are giving away some cash. We're giving away some cash at Dominion Funding. Let me show you. All right, take a look at this. We're giving away some cash on Dominion Funding. This is around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 50,000 dirhams. This is how much is 50,000 dirhams? 50. This is $13,000, right? So we're going to give away 10. Wow, look at that. Still retracing. What am I going to do over here? Close another 50. Actually, close the whole thing. There's no point in holding this now, right? Because now, yeah, there's no point. So just, manage risk. So this is around $13,000. Out of the 13,000, we're going to be giving away $10,000 cash to one person. Okay, to one person, we're going to give this away. And let me tell you how this is going to work. Dominion funding.trade. So look. Now, we're getting sales anyway, right? We're getting sales anyway on Dominion Funding. Okay, you got a Black Friday sale going on, BF30. But if you use the code Raja Black code will give you 35% off. Anyone who uses the code, it can be on instant, 2-step, 1-step, on 7,500, 12,000, 25,000, 50,000, whatever. Anyone who uses the code Raja Black, by the end of November, I think at the end of November, we're going to give away 10,000 cash to you. That's going to be through crypto, through PayPal, through your bank, through whatever. By the way, if you're in the UAE, you don't qualify because we don't take clients in the UAE. Just say a disclaimer I have to get. But you have to use the code Raja Black. You are teaching gambling. Are you stupid? What's the name over it? Bubbly Mandalani. Boobly Mandalani. You are teaching gambling. How is this gambling, brother? Look, I have a 69 lots. I lost $2,600. 69 lots. How is this gambling? How many days the code is valid till? The code is valid till the end of the year. That code is valid till the end of the year. And we're going to choose one person in November, and we're going to choose one person in December. $10,000 will be given away. 10 bands. You can knock someone else. You can knock someone out with this. 10 bands. Wow, this looks pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. How about USA clients? Can we get that? No USA clients. I'm sorry. Are there any market conditions where your performance is better, like trending market, ranging market? Yeah, trending markets. Yeah, no USA. My bad. Yeah, trending markets. My thing is very, very better. I bought instant $7,400. Amazing. In Dominion Funding, close 1 minute minimum trades to close trade? No. If you close the trade within 1 minute, no. That's instant disqualification. Anywhere, or any prop firm you go, anywhere, that's the instant disqualification. Instant disqualification. Oh, wow. That Dubai event, 20 seats are already gone. 20 seats are gone already. Man, we have 80 left. I think it's going to be sold out by tomorrow. Crazy. Haven't even posted that on my story yet, but 20 already gone. Okay, sir, is this good? We'll stop to trade December 15th to January 15th? Sure, it's good. What? Sir, how can I... Okay, I'm just going to read it as this guy wrote it. Sir, how can I am your course button your community join? Sir, how can I am your course button your community join? There's a link in the description if that's what you're asking me. Link for creating account in Dominion Markets. Don't open an account in Dominion Markets if you're looking for the link where to open an account on Dominion Markets. I can't help with blindness. Blindness is something I can't help you with. Yeah, what's this? Happy birthday, Caesar. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Because in August, September, October, in big profits because it was trending market condition. After that condition became November, it's going back. Yeah, man. Look. August, September, October were crazy months. Crazy months. You know, they were crazy months. August, September, October. November, December is going to be ranging. We're going to range. So you got to be careful now. You got to be careful. If you take a loss, call it a day. Look, I took a trade. Rajabhai, I used the code already last week. Do I still qualify? Yes, you do qualify. Anyone who uses the code Raja Black, you qualify. You qualify to win $10,000. We're going to choose a winner at the end of November, and then we're going to choose another one at the end of December. $10,000. Oh, so we're giving away $20,000. $20,000. It's like a raffle draw, It's like a raffle. Not a funded account, not an account in anything. You will get 10,000 in your account, in your bank account, or your crypto wallet, or whatever you choose. That's where the $10,000 is going to go. Firms out there will say, "Oh, we'll give you a funded account." Like, what if you blow that account? That's it, done, finish. But this will be different. UAE residents eligible? No, due to regulations, we cannot onboard UAE residents. I'm sorry. I apologize. I think risk is very, very personal. As I close my 70% at 30 pips, and after close, all still in profit. Amazing, bro. That's amazing. Raja, that is 13K in your hand. Drop the 3K in my drop the 3K in my Okay, 3K will be given as a runner-up. Indians are eligible. Yes, Indians are eligible. Very, very eligible. Indian, very eligible. Hai na? Na? Very eligible. Full eligibility for you. For you, my friend, full eligibility. Very eligible. All right, YouTube. What's going on over here? I want to get some acknowledgement. What the fuck acknowledgement do you want? What is this? What do you want? Oh, deleted the message. Can we learn from YouTube videos and master trading? Yes, you can. Can you telling us why ranging in gold and how long? Can I tell you why ranging in gold and how long? One moment. Let me check. Let me check. Calling the market maker now for you. Just for you. Hello? The YouTube retards want to know how long the gold will range for. Do we have any idea? Oh, we don't have any idea. Okay, great. Thank you very much. That's all what I wanted to know. Yeah, we don't know for how long we're going to range for. We don't know. But what we do know is that there is NFP coming. NFP and ADP is coming up very, very soon. Very, very soon, NFP and ADP is coming. But what I also do know is that, look, we've created a support on the 15-minute time frame. Now we have a nice range. Beautiful. Look at that. We got some range over here. How big is this range? You got like a 100 pip range here, buddy. So look, bud, look at that. So if we break above 40.98, where are we heading? I guess we can head towards 41.05, right? Now we got the range. Beautiful. That's all what we wanted to know. Got the range right there. We have the range right there. Sir, if you give me $100, you will become richer than this. Okay, Abdul Rashid, send me your USDT address right now. I'll give you $100. Send me your USDT address right now. Before this 5-minute candle closes, you send me your USDT address. I'll give you $100. And let's see if I become richer than I am right now. I'll send it to you. Abdul Rashid, your wish has been granted today because I'm in a good mood today. Let's do that. Logging into my wallet. USDT ERC20, Abdul Rashid. I'm waiting. Before the 5-minute candle closes, send me your address right now and I'm going to send it to you. If you help me with 300 to complete my rent, lost my job, and I'm still a baby in trading. Go get another job then. Raja, my 3K as well. No, Asad, it's not happening. 3K. No. Raja, my hairline got liquidated. What to do? Your hairline got liquidated. So if your hairline got liquidated, how far back do you wash your face then? Like, you get it? How far back do you wash your face? Do you wash it till the because logically your face then goes all the way back there. That's because your face is till the hairline, right? How far back you washing your face? Abdul Rashid, I'm waiting. The candle is about to close in about 2 minutes, buddy. 2 minutes, the candle is about to close. Abdul Rashid is like, oh, buddy, what is my address? Buddy, get my address. Where is Abdul Rashid? Abdul Rashid wanted $100. Where is he? Abdul Rashid. Let's see what Abdul Rashid is posting on his channel. Oh, I'm also going to see, has Abdul Rashid ever roasted me? This is hilarious. Abdul Rashid has nothing on his channel. Anyway, Abdul Rashid, I'm waiting. The candle is about to close. How can I transfer money that is in mind to my bank account? What the fuck? How do you transfer money that is in your mind to your bank account? It's a very difficult. David. If you guys remember David was having a rough month last month. David is in profits for this month. Beautiful. Very, very well done. This is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Wednesday, 12. Man, you have mastered your losses now. Mastered your losses. Abdul Rashid, I'm still waiting. The candle is about to close. Abdul Rashid. Charity does not decrease wealth. Well, if you give too much, then it's going to decrease your wealth. The Prophet ﷺ said, charity does not decrease wealth. Yes, that's very true. Very true. That's why, well, charity is another thing, and giving beggars money is a whole other thing. What's the broker called again for USA clients? Torah Markets. TorahX.com. That's the website. Well done, David. Well done. Well done. Yeah, now we're just ranging over here. Now we got nothing to do. Now this is what we're going to do. Hey, Abdul Rashid. Has Abdul Rashid left? Guys, chill out. It's only $100. USDT ERC20. Abdul Rashid, the candle has closed. Oh, I can log out of my wallet now. Abdul Rashid, your wish was being granted, but no more. Sir, my account has been washed. Please help me create my account. Your account is washed. Put that shit in the sun. Dry it out. Like, what can I do if your account is washed? What did you do? Did you overtrade? Did you over risk? What happened? What happened? What happened over there? Is it Dubai? Where is the Dubai event happening? In Dubai. It's happening in Dubai. I'm not going to tell you the location so everyone just comes on. No. You're going to get the location 1 week before. Potential buys above, what the fuck is this? 40.98. Above 40.98. Potential sells below 4086. Nice. 4086. This is what I'm looking for now. This is what I'm looking for. Raja, please send me USD. Okay, I'll probably send you in the ban zone now. Put user in timeout. I'll put you in timeout. How about that? How about that, buddy? You are my mentor. Could you contribute to our graduation, which will be on the complete a degree? I'm from Tanzania. No thanks. What do you think? What am I? Mother Teresa? You think I'm Mother Teresa over here? My little brother got allergy in his private area. My salary will come on the 1st. It says, I don't know about your little brother. Wow, we got all sorts of retards coming in on YouTube now. Must inform Slack members Chris will be strict in approving the waitlist for MFU. No proof of payment, no access. Proof of payment? Chris, you know they will find you and they will hunt you. What does this mean, proof of payment? They have to pay? What do they have to pay? How much they pay? Oh. What proof of payment? What's that? Purchase, checkout through link, even if you bought before, this will migrate everyone fairly. What? What's this proof of payment? How much is that? Message me in here. Must be something like $1 or something. Shouldn't be more than $1 or something, you know, maybe like $2, $5 maybe. Even at $5, you'll start crying. You know how people are. Oh, okay. Okay. All right, gotcha. Buyers are cooking. No, buyers are cooking above 40.98. Buyers are cooking above 40.98. Here comes the link, buddy. Let me send this link over here to these guys. All right, link has been sent. Link has been sent. Hi, I'm from Afghanistan. Hamid Harifal. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Where did you learn Telugu? I don't know Telugu. We have all sorts of beggars over here in the YouTube chat. Is Rounit a student? Rounit is a very good friend. Do you gonna have a boot camp in sometime in the Netherlands someday? Yeah, probably in January. Probably in January or February. Do you have a Telegram channel? Look through the description. I started with $200, made $500 in 1 month. Now my goal is to get it to 1,000 before getting a domain and a funded account. Beautiful, buddy. Beautiful. That's amazing. You made 200 to 500. From 500, you go to 1,000. When you go to 1,000, withdraw the amount which you need for a funded account and then do that. You will be much more successful with that. Do you have boot camp in Mumbai anytime? No. No, sir. If price goes against me, I just close 50% and then I do it that way. Okay. I took a buy when the candle closed bullish as support, took on the 15-minute. Nice. Very nice. We had range. Yeah, we had like a 60 pip range. Beautiful. Yeah, watching the live. Beautiful. Okay, remember. Where is this? Let me tell you what to remember. Remember, Dominion funding. There's a code BF30. Don't use this code BF30. If you use the code Raja Black, RAJABLACK, Raja Black, someone will win $10,000 over here. $10,000. You can go to your crypto account, bank account, wherever you want it. We'll send you $10,000 at the end of the month. So consider this as a raffle draw. You know, you want to buy a $7,500 account, for sure, no problem. 1 step, 2 step, instant, whatever you want to get. but you have to use the code Raja Black. And Asad's 3K. Okay, let me put aside 3K for Asad. There you go, Asad. That's your 3K put aside. 10,000 will come to you. Remember, Asad's 3K is now on the side. Okay, yeah, this was actually pretty good on the 15-minute time frame in range, but I think breaking above 40.98 would be better. Good marketing, bro. No, it's not good marketing. I really want to give away 10,000. I've never, ever, ever given away $10,000 cash. Never, ever, ever I've given away $10,000 cash. I remember when I used to work on the oil rigs, and after working there for like 3 months, I had $10,000 in my bank account for the first time ever in my life. And I was so happy to see my bank account in 5 figures. I was so happy, you guys have no idea. And now I'm able to give away $10,000 to somebody. This is like crazy. It's all love, exactly. And it's also good marketing too, you're right. But it's also nice to give away, you know? It's also nice to give away. It's also nice to give away something tangible, something that's important. Something that's important to people, which is money. Any plan to come to Mongolia or Asia? You know what? I want to come to Uzbekistan. We have a lot of friends in Uzbekistan, so I think that's going to be better. I want to come to Uzbekistan. When did you make your first million in trading? First million in trading I made around, I think it was 2020 with COVID. It was 2020 in COVID. Abdul Rashid is alive. Abdul Rashid, send that again. I'm sorry I missed it. Send that again. Send that address again before this candle closes, the 5-minute candle. Send that again. Before the 5-minute candle closes, you got 2 minutes, Abdul Rashid. I'm waiting. USDT ERC20. E for elephant. ERC20. When can we expect you? Bro, I'm going to be in Spain in December. In December, I'm going to be in Spain. On the 1st of December, I'm going to be in Spain. Actually, I'm going to be in Madrid on... So we're watching the game on the 3rd. On the 4th, I'm going to be in Madrid. Madrid, I'm going to be in Madrid on the 4th. Yeah, I'm watching the game. Same strategy. My million was made with the same strategy. Abdul Rashid, I'm waiting. Send that shit. When did you start trading? Did you have a mentor? Yes, I did have a mentor. I did have a mentor. For people who say they don't have any mentors, they lie. There's no such thing as self-made. There's no such thing as self-made. Anyone who claims to be self-made is lying. Because we all get inspiration from someone. We all get motivated by somebody. All of us. There's no such thing as self-made. Dominion Markets is available in India. Yes, it is available in India. Guys, I'm telling you, Dominion Markets, I built Dominion Markets so that I could trade on Dominion Market. I could trade on it because I want good conditions for me to trade. And if I get good conditions for me to trade, guess what happens to you guys? You guys get the same conditions to trade. Same one. Sammy that trades says he's self-made. He's as fake as someone who says they got big balls. All right, let's take a look at this over here. I know that you'll not give away, therefore I never request you forgive me USDT. Abdul Rashid, where are you, buddy? I'm waiting. Abdul Rashid. Five-minute has closed. Oh, Abdul Rashid, your chance is gone again. There's a 30-second message limit. Bro, Abdul Rashid. How can I find Abdul Rashid over here? Abdul Rashid, just give your address and tag me so I can see it. Some guy is sending me an address saying this is from Abdul Rashid. Even if Abdul Rashid sent his address, the only message I read from him was, "Brother, you are not reading my message." How ironic. Oh, man. I gotta go buy a gift soon. How to stop overtrading. Stop using your mouse. And you can stop overtrading. Respected teacher, my hope is to change my poor life one day and meet you, inshallah, brother. You will meet me. You don't have a poor life. You don't have a poor life. Listen, if you can wake up with 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, you are not poor. So Abdul Rashid did not follow the instructions, and he sent me some fucking USDT TRC. What address is this? What is this? TRC, USDT TRC, what is this? Man, I don't know what that is. Abdul Rashid sent it. Where can I find link to this Discord? What Discord? Our Discord? If a person has 1,000, should he do real or funded account? Do real account, make the money, withdraw it, and then do. Yo, what is this? USDT, TRC, TRC, Tron, what? Cancel. Screw Abdul Rashid. Bye-bye, Abdul Rashid. Didn't follow instructions. Abdul Rashid lost $100 twice. Oh, there we go. Abdul Rashid sent it now. ERC20. Congratulations, Abdul Rashid. You just won yourself $100 after fucking so long. USDT. All right. 100. 100 and Abdul Rashid, I'm having a problem here now. It's not sending it. Why are you sending me different fucking addresses, Abdul Rashid? Oh man. No. You guys know what's going on? Take a look at this. Now I have, look at this. Look at this. I have 1 Abdul Rashid. Now I have 2 Abdul Rashid. I don't even know which one is the real one now. I don't even know which one is the real one now. All right, I'm just gonna send it to just the random Abdul Rashid. I gotta keep my promise. I'm gonna send it to just one random Abdul Rashid. I don't even know which one is the real one now. I'm just gonna send it. Yeah. Okay. Sent. Send it to some Abdul Rashid. Don't even know who that Abdul Rashid is, but I sent it. Don't give them money, give them chance to join MFE for 1 month. Ah, that's good. People get so creative. Yeah, man. People get crazy. These, you know what? All these guys, they are either Pakistani beggars or they're Indian beggars. I can tell you that 100%. Either they are Pakistanis or they are Indians. No other race in the world does this. And that's my own people. I'm telling you, that's my own people. My own people, my own Pakistani people are like that, man. They're like that. They will try to scam you, they'll try to cheat you, they'll try to do all this shit. They're all gonna try to do this shit. This is why I never will now do a boot camp in Pakistan. Because they're all like this. They're my own people, and I agree my people are like this. No wonder you guys don't get allowed to come to Dubai, you know, with your dumbass passports. No wonder. I'm bold. Yeah, it's the truth. It's the truth. You know, it's the truth. I'm not trying to hide the truth. You know, it's my own people. Not everyone's like this. Where's the truth? In your opinion, does other strategies like SMC works? If works, have you ever tried to do it? No, I've never. See, here's the thing. I have always focused on the way I trade. I've always focused on the way I trade. I've never focused on any other thing. See, here's the thing. Every strategy works if you're willing to put time in it. Every strategy works if you're willing to put time in it, if you're willing to be dedicated on it, if you trade with trend lines, Fibonacci's, some Bollinger Bands, if you stick to a strategy, it will work, except for ICT. I'll say that proudly, except for ICT. Give me a funded account. How about I give you a timeout? My father leaves me with nothing. Well then, be a man. Wow, man. All these beggars over here. Yeah, like, you know, like every strategy works. People sending me voice notes.
Yes, my brother. Just before I forget, can you send me the details of your website and graphics designer guy in Pakistan, please? I wanted to start some conversation with him. If you could just message him and let him know that I'm going to be contacting him for some work. And I do want to just look at what work he's done as well. I just want to see what other work he's done and stuff, you know? So yeah, if you can send that to me, bro, that would be very appreciated. And what are you up to anyway? Are you in the office today?
Oh, too many. Yeah, bro, same old. You know, I'm in the office. I'm in the office today. Yeah, but this is the guy. You know, like he built website for us. I'm also gonna let him know that you will contact him. Good morning, Iman. Ni hao, ma. So my good friend will contact you very soon for some project. His name is Zed. Z-E-D. Zed. Is brokerage a good business? It's a good business if you have clients. I'm sure if they use this intelligent derivative skills instead of fraud, they will make you. That's very true. That's very true. But yeah, man, I think it was a great day today. I managed my risk. I lost about $2,000 on a 69 lot. I think that's pretty good. What's the thing you're going to announce? Announcement is coming in today. It's coming in today. Have a nice day. Hey, sell Tiki. Sell Tiki. Have a great day today. Have a very, very, very good day today. I sometimes close my trades in under 1 minute. Is that a rule break in Dominion funding? Ah, yes, that is a rule break, Farah. That's a rule break. It's a rule break everywhere. You know, it's a rule break everywhere. And the reason, and I'll tell you why this is a rule break everywhere. Because, so I'll tell you some insider information why that's a rule break. Right now, look, this is some gossip. August, September, October. Yeah, Funder Pro is also expensive. August, September, October was a month where prop firms, they paid out the most amount of money. And the reason why is because people were trading gold, right? They were trading gold. If gold was not moving in your favor, let's say sell, it was moving the other way. So they would just close early and take the other way. You know, so that's where they came up with these rules. They said, hey, look, this is a rule break because you're trying to scalp. And mostly because this was based on the people who were just scalping aggressively. You know, they were aggressively scalping. FTMO came up with a rule, and FTMO's rule was that you cannot take more than 3 trades in one direction. You can't do that. So they came up with that rule. And I look at it, I'm like, man, that's a dumbass rule. You know, because if gold is just pushing up, you're supposed to take buys. You know, so many prop firms came up with this rule like you cannot aggressively scalp. Is that new at FTMO? That is new at FTMO. Plus, also they cap you at 1% now. So, like, you know, but from the firm's perspective, this was a way to manage their risk from a firm's perspective. Because you have to understand this. Like, a lot of traders are going to come in and they will try to find loopholes in the system. You know, we caught a guy who was taking buys on our side, and he was taking sells on another big firm. You know, so we caught him because now we got systems like this. You know, so they were hedging between firms. You know, and the whole point of prop firms, where you have the ability to trade large accounts, is to favor the traders who are trading responsibly, not to favor the traders who are just trying to gamble their way for a payout. When a prop firm starts putting irrational rules, this means they have solvency issues? No. When a prop firm starts to give these wild discounts, they have solvency issues, you know? Because look at it this way. If a prop firm is not getting any sales, they will give these huge discounts, buy one, get two free, buy one, get one free, you know, shit like this, 50% off, 60% off, which means that now they got to cover those payouts. So now they got to make these sales to give those payouts. And then you got to understand this, that if they're doing a sale now, after 2 or 3 weeks, the payout of that sale is going to come in. So it's always a lagging business. It's a lagging business. Fund the trader scam prop, yeah, exactly. Huge rejection on 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm looking at that. You know, now we're in this consolidation area. $10,000 giveaway. $10,000 giveaway. Because it's Christmas and because I can. Listen, when I announce this, someone else will announce this as well. Because the way I'm going to announce this is everyone's going to say, wait, what? He's not giving a funded account. He's giving cash. Man, we got to give away cash now. You know? That's what's going to happen. But also, let me show you something. Perception. I'll show you. Now, it's not like I carry cash with me, but sometimes I do. I have some payments to pay today. This is also 50,000, okay? And this is also 50,000. Which has a bigger impact? This? No. This has a bigger impact. Even though these are all hundreds, you know, and this is just 500s. This has no impact. Hey guys, they're going to give away $10,000. Fuck, this is 10,000. But if I say I'm giving away 10,000, they'll be like, oh shit, giving away a whole rack. He's giving a brick. Genuine question. What if it hits your stop loss less than a minute? Yeah, then it hits. It's fine. It's fine like that. What's the minimum stop loss in pips to hold on? It's not about what's the minimum stop loss to hold on. It's all about logically where your stop loss placement is. You know, is it above a candle? Is it above a zone? Is it above a area where you think price should not reach to move? You know, sometimes guys are just going to have like a 10 pip stop because they don't want to lose more than 10 pips, but logically it doesn't make any sense. If your stop loss is too big, right? If it's, oh, look, the candle is about to close. If the next candle wicks up, breaks below this low, I'm selling this. Again, I'm selling this. Impulse entry, yeah. If it wicks up, breaks below this low, I'm selling that for price to push down. But guys, I have to leave. I have some things to do. I have to make a video. I have to meet my lawyer and then have to do this real estate payment. This coming Sunday simulation session, yes, we'll do a simulation session. And there's London Open happening as well. Don't forget, if we break below this area, we can move down. I'll be looking for a sell. But anyway, oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, we have to wick up first. Wick up first, buddy. Don't move down yet. Boom. Wick up. Are you buying in Bengadi? No. I'm not buying in Bengadi. I'm not buying in Bengadi. I'm buying in this development, Dubai South. It's by Dubai South. What is this? 20. Well, we broke below this low, so it should continue pushing down with volume in London Open. What is this? 40 pips? Yeah, somewhere over here. Somewhere over here. It should push down. Ideally, it should push down. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go. good luck with this. Manage risk. If it goes against you, whatever, just do it. You know, like if it comes back into drawdown, I will manage risk myself. Anyway, take care. How can I help you with medicine when I'm giving you trades to take so you can make money, man? Are you guys, are you a dummy? Come on. Anyway, take care. See ya. Okay. All right. YouTube.